Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. Jamaica's winter tourism season is delivering early signs of stability and recovery, earning $331.2 million since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the season has opened strongly with more than 70,000 visitors recorded in the first 7 days. He says that figure signals continued confidence in Jamaica as a destination and steady recovery in the tourism sector.
So even though we did not have 100% of all our assets back for December 15, with 70%, we took to the market. Donovan White, who is right beside me here, the team from JTV, and myself, we went out there and we said to our market, you can have confidence in Jamaica. You can have confidence in the integrity of our promise that the wonderful Jamaica you've always known is pretty much still here. Got a little battered, a little bruise here and there, but we are still here.
Now, of that total, approximately 46,000 persons were stopover visitors, while 30,000 arrived by cruise ships, reflecting robust demand across airlift and cruise segments. Minister Bartlett says while the arrival numbers are encouraging, the country's tourism recovery strategy extends beyond statistics. He says the ministry continues to engage stakeholders to strengthen the labor market arrangements within the sector, ensuring greater security for tourism workers as the recovery process continues. And to some good news now for the people of Black River, because Sagicor Bank, the only commercial bank in that town, has officially reopened. The reopening comes after Hurricane Melissa severely damaged the business facility, forcing residents to travel miles for some of their financial transactions. Chief Executive Officer for Sagicor Bank in Jamaica, Shorville Johnson Cunningham, said the reopening reflects the bank's responsibility to support economic recovery.
And you'd understand that for any community to grow, for any community to make a step forward, a bank is needed. And Sagicor Bank saw that need and we fixed that. Although it's a smaller location, every service under the sun is being offered. We want your deposits, we can do your loans. We know that there are a couple of people who, for their car loans, their cars got damaged during the hurricane. Come in and talk to us. We'll get that done. So no matter what it is, you want a replacement of your point of sale machine, come in and talk to us. We'll get it done. So we're actually here today offering all services.
The first 2 days of operation saw approximately 500 transactions completed, highlighting the continued economic activity within the town. This reopening forms part of the broader national response by the Sagicor Group. The company has allocated $200 million Jamaican dollars to support Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. This includes $100 million Jamaican dollars earmarked for the restoration of clinics in Western Jamaica, as well as $40 million, which has been utilized for direct relief efforts for team members over the past 2 months. To some stocks news now, the JSE index declined by 2,629 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 32 points. The winners included Margaritaville Turks, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Jamaica Stock Exchange Express Catering, and Palace Amusement. On the losing side, they were led by Pan Jamaica Group, Sterling Investments USD, Cygnus Credit Investments 10.5%, that's 10.5%, Epley Group, Property Fund, and Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica. 24 stocks traded firm. Some foreign exchange news now, because the Jamaican banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $160.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.77. The pound is going for $214.73, while the euro is going for an average $190.27. And that's the business news. News from overseas right after this break.